Bianca. Welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, please subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be painting a pumpkin. I did a video like this years ago on my old channel where I painted a pumpkin, except it was paper mache and I painted black with white cobwebs. But unfortunately, my old channel and that video was gone and it's deleted permanently. But I still have the actual pumpkin up in my attic and I will bring it down to decorate my house. So I'm excited to be painting a pumpkin and I can't wait to show you guys the design I'm doing. And it's pretty simple, yet it's iconic and everyone knows what the design is. And I researched a few ideas on this design and some people already done this on their pumpkins. So I'm really excited to paint mine like that. Also, I'm excited for my Halloween series, also known as #BeAwesomeScares, and I planned a lot of exciting videos in October, or I like to call October Rocktober. If you guys want to see me painting my pumpkin, then keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Give this video so many likes, turn on your notifications, and without further ado, let's get started. So this is the design I'll be using to paint my pumpkin. It is the poison apple from Snow White. I bought a white plastic pumpkin and 3 small bottles of red paint from Michaels. I bought 3 bottles of paint just in case. Better safe than sorry. First, I drew the eyes, nose, and drips with pencil. I'm very happy how this turned out, and apparently, surprisingly, I only used 1 bottle of paint, so I think I'll return the other paints paint bottles that I bought at Michael's, or I could just store them for another project, or I can make more of these. I don't know. Now I'm going to use this to decorate the inside of my house. Let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this pumpkin, and would you paint your fake pumpkin like this? The end. Well, that is it for this pumpkin painting video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. It really mean a lot to me. And by the way, see ya!